Sorry guys. I'm just gonna edit it on CapCut. Anyway. Showering. Ito daw yung shampoo. They extended a shower, guys. Yeah. And this was the soap. I found 3 melodies, guys. Look. And this is her boyfriend. Yes, because they both have mababa eye. Tenga. Ears. Tenga. Ears. Pareho naman yun eh. Today, huh? Ano yun? Tiga dyan. Ito, deja vu. That's done. Naglagay daw siya nito. Ng rubber ducky. Tapos nag-shower daw. Tapos nagkatapos na daw. Oh no, I'm done. Where's my clothes? Tweet! Yeah? Yeah. Get my clothes. Yeah, just get it. Okay. Ito daw yun. Yeah. Here you go. Ew. Finally, you got it right. Di na daw siya mag-clothes. Kasi daw may email. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, who's that? Ano yan? Goop. Ano yan? Oh my gosh, it's my boyfriend. Oh my gosh, why do you have a black dress? I like you. Okay. Hey friend. Bro, our friend is here. Hey friend. Bro. Boy, saan yung macaroni? How about me? How about you? Ang dami. Be, ipunin ko muna. Wait lang. Transition. Binig ko to. Boy. Tinawag mo daw yung macaroni? Dalawa. Macaroni! Yes. Ay, yes. You're fired. Why? You can't go in my house now. Why? You will go to your house. You will sleep. And you too. Oh my gosh. Fine. B. Ito daw yung hindi na fire. And you are not fired because you're too cute. Yay! Ow! Yung nose ng baby.
Mamaya.
Okay.
Eliza, say present.
Present. Huh?
Because it's your birthday.
Present.
Papa Trebs give you some.
500. Oh my god.
Guess how much?
I can literally see it. 500.
Okay. Because you said 500.
Ano yung tinatago mo? Isa pa. Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Kay Papa Trebs yung galing.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Papa Trebs.
Bye, babe. Okay. So, my cousin was her birthday today. And Mama Al, or grandmother and grandfather, gave she 500 and XO because it's his birthday. Sinabi